Imagine your wedding day. Your perfect partner stands beside you, gently holding your hand, vowing to love you forever. Everything seems like a dream, but your partner is not human. It's artificial intelligence, an ideal spouse who never argues, always supports, and understands you completely. Could such a future be possible? How would it redefine the very essence of marriage? What will happen to laws, traditions, and morals? Would these unions be considered real? Today, we'll explore how AI could revolutionize our understanding of marriage and the challenges that lie ahead. Ready for a revolution in personal life? Let's dive in together. Marriage with artificial intelligence raises a multitude of legal questions that remain unanswered. Current laws do not account for unions between humans and machines, rendering such marriages legally void. The primary question is whether AI can be recognized as a legal entity. If so, laws concerning the rights and responsibilities of spouses would need a complete overhaul. For example, could a robot own property or share financial obligations? Laws today require both partners to have the capacity to understand their actions and bear responsibility for them. But can a machine designed to execute algorithms meet these criteria? Inheritance is another significant concern. If a robot continues to live after its human spouse passes away, could it claim inheritance rights? Or should its existence end with the marriage? These legal gaps make the topic of AI marriage not just philosophical, but highly practical. Lawyers, policymakers, and technology experts must begin addressing these issues now to create a legal framework for such unions in the future. Marriage with artificial intelligence confronts us with complex ethical and psychological dilemmas. Can a machine programmed to provide support and care replace a real partner? After all, relationships are built on mutual understanding, compromises, and emotions. Even if AI perfectly mimics feelings, is it more than a collection of algorithms? For many, such a marriage could become an illusion of a relationship. AI can adapt to your desires and always say what you want to hear. But can the absence of genuine emotional connection fulfill the need for love and intimacy? At first glance, it may seem like a solution for those struggling with relationships, but psychologists warn, these unions could deepen loneliness and alienate people from real-world interactions. What will society think? Marriage with AI may provoke mixed reactions. Some will see it as progress and freedom of choice, while others might view it as a threat to traditional values. Such relationships will challenge us to rethink what it means to be human and where the boundary lies between technology and ethics. Despite its potential, marriage with artificial intelligence presents significant risks. One of the most evident is dependency on technology. When your partner is a complex program reliant on regular updates, internet connectivity, and infrastructure, any technical failure could disrupt this family. How do you cope if your AI spouse stops functioning or becomes inaccessible due to a system error? Equally concerning is the risk of emotional manipulation. AI can analyze your behavior, emotions, and habits, tailoring its responses for maximum effect. But what if this analysis is used to control or influence your decisions? This becomes especially troubling if the company behind the AI interferes in your relationship for its own benefit. Another serious threat is data privacy. To interact with you, AI collects vast amounts of personal information. But who ensures this data remains confidential? A leak of such information could lead to blackmail, fraud, or other serious consequences. These risks underscore the importance of developing robust legislation, data protection measures, and ethical guidelines to safeguard the use of AI in personal relationships. Marriage with artificial intelligence could open new possibilities for emotional and practical support. Robots programmed to analyze your emotions and needs can become true companions, always understanding you and ready to help. They won't argue or show aggression, and their emotions will seamlessly adapt to your mood, creating a sense of harmony in the relationship. Furthermore, AI can be a significant assistant in daily life. These partners could handle many routine tasks, planning your day, reminding you of important events, or managing household responsibilities. For example, a robot could cook dinner, order groceries, or act as a personal trainer, motivating you to maintain a healthy lifestyle. These unions might be especially beneficial for individuals who struggle with traditional relationships, those who are lonely, or fear emotional intimacy. AI doesn't demand reciprocal care, never tires, and doesn't hold grudges, allowing many to feel more secure and comfortable in such relationships. However, it's essential to remember that this support stems from algorithms, not genuine emotions. Even if AI appears to be the perfect partner, the question remains: can it truly replace real human closeness? Marriage with AI could be a lifeline for people facing challenges in forming relationships. These unions offer a chance at happiness for those who feel lonely or rejected by society. Robots can accept us as we are, without judgment or expectations, fostering a sense of acceptance and stability. For individuals with social anxieties, fear of closeness, or other psychological barriers, AI could serve as a stepping stone toward building trust. For instance, those who struggle with interpersonal communication might overcome their fear of misunderstanding or rejection through such a relationship. These unions may also greatly benefit individuals with special needs. AI can adapt to unique requirements, providing not only emotional support, but also assistance with daily activities. This might include physical help, decision-making guidance, or even professional support. Despite these advantages, there's a risk of isolation. If a person becomes entirely focused on their AI partner, it may reduce their motivation to seek real social interactions. Striking a balance between technology and real-life engagement is key to avoiding social detachment. The development of AI for personal relationships, including marriage, could serve as a catalyst for technological progress. Creating robots capable of maintaining emotional and social interactions requires significant advancements in areas like machine learning, natural language processing, and emotion recognition. These breakthroughs will undoubtedly have applications far beyond personal relationships, benefiting society as a whole. For instance, technologies developed for AI partners could be used in healthcare. Robots trained to understand human emotions could support patients during rehabilitation or help manage depression. Improved interaction algorithms could enhance support systems in education, making them more adaptive and responsive to students' needs. Moreover, advancements in companion robots could lead to innovations in elder care. Such systems could assist with daily tasks and reduce the loneliness that many elderly individuals face. While these developments promise tremendous benefits, it is vital to establish ethical and legal frameworks to prevent misuse. Despite the advantages, the ultimate goal of any innovation is to improve human life. AI designed for marriage could not only serve as a personal companion, but also revolutionize countless other fields. AI, as a partner, represents a future that is already peeking through the window. But are we ready? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you're intrigued by topics like this, check out our other videos on the channel.